Today I'm going to show you something Google just did that's kind of wild. They dropped a flood of brand new AI tools in one single week, and some of them keep working even after you close your laptop. It's free for a lot of people to try right now. I know how that sounds, but it's real. And I'm going to show you the one thing most people are already getting wrong about it. Google just held its biggest developer event of the year, and this wasn't a few small updates. This was a real shift. So let's get into the 5 updates that matter most, and where most people are about to use them the wrong way. Gemini Spark, the agent that works while you're not even there. The biggest announcement was Gemini Spark, a personal AI agent that runs non-stop on Google's own servers, so it keeps working after you close your laptop or lock your phone. You can email it directly, almost like emailing a coworker, and it reads your messages, checks your calendar, and drafts things for you. Google built Spark using its Gemini models, combined with the same agent technology that powers its developer platform called Anti-Gravity. The company's CEO described Spark as a personal agent that takes action on your behalf under your direction. It connects to email, documents, slides, even outside services like grocery delivery and restaurant booking. Google is testing it with a small group now, with a wider rollout coming soon. And tech experts have compared an agent like this to finally having a real assistant you can hand tasks off to, instead of a chat window you have to babysit. Here's where most people get this wrong. They'll treat Spark like a fancy reminder app. Set a note, draft an email, done. But if you're trying to make money online, the smarter move is pointing an agent like this at your own business inbox or a client's inbox and having it flag the messages that actually matter. Like a new lead asking about pricing or a customer about to walk away. Gemini Omni, turning any photo or clip into a brand new video. The second big release is Gemini Omni, Google's new video model, and it works differently than older tools. Instead of typing a prompt and getting a random clip back, you hand it a photo, a video, or a voice clip, and it builds a scene. Then lets you keep editing it just by talking to it. The first version of this model went live inside the main AI app, the creative video tool, and YouTube Shorts. And every video carries an invisible digital marker so people can tell it was made with AI. This model understands real-world physics, gravity, how liquids move, so the scenes it creates look a lot less fake than older AI video did. Most people will use this to make goofy clips for fun. Honestly, that's okay. But here's the smarter way to think about it if you want to build something real. Take one testimonial style script and turn it into 10 different versions for 10 different cities or 10 different niches just by changing the background. Then test which one grabs attention. That used to take a video editor a full day. Now you can test 5 ideas before lunch. Gemini Avatars, Google's version of what I'm doing right now. This one hits close to home since you're literally watching an AI avatar talk to you right now. Google rolled out Gemini Avatar, which lets anyone scan their own face and voice to build a digital twin of themselves. Setup takes just a couple of minutes. You read a few numbers out loud, turn your head side to side, then type a prompt, and you're starting in a brand new video. The feature is rolling out more widely now, with safety steps like requiring you to be at least 18 years old, plus watermarking every video. The wrong way to use this? Just making yourself into a cartoon for laughs. I get why people do it. The smarter way, especially if you run any kind of online business, is using a digital version of yourself for personalized welcome videos for new customers or quick explainer videos for your offer, without ever turning on a camera. That's the exact reason I'm able to put out a new video like this one every single week. Gemini 3.5 Flash and Daily Brief, the quiet updates that might matter most. Spark and Omni got most of the attention, but 2 other updates might matter more for regular people. The first is a new model, now defaulted into Google's AI search results, built to be fast and good at multi-step tasks, not just chatting. Gemini now has over 900 million monthly users worldwide, and Google dropped the price of its top-tier subscription from $250 a month down to $100. The other quiet update is Daily Brief, a morning summary that looks through your email, calendar, and tasks, then hands you a short list of what matters before you even open your phone. One tester said it surprised her by catching scheduling conflicts and reminding her to follow up on emails she'd forgotten, even though she expected it to be full of mistakes. Another said it's become one of the features she relies on most every single day. Most people will use Daily Brief just to feel a little more organized, and that's a fine use for it. But if you run any kind of online business, the smarter move is treating it like a filter for your revenue. Point it at the inbox where leads and customers message you and let it surface the one or two things each morning that could turn into money. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Google didn't just release some fun toys this month. It built an entire stack of tools that can plan, create, and act, almost on its own. Most people will play with these for a weekend, post one funny avatar video, and move on. That's the wrong way to use any of this. The better way is to start thinking like someone running a tiny agency, even if you'd never call it that. Local businesses, online sellers, coaches, creators, they all need exactly what these tools produce. Faster video, faster customer communication, faster follow-up. They're not going to figure this out on their own anytime soon. Which means there's room right now for someone who understands these tools just a little better than everyone else. I'm not saying any of this makes you rich overnight. I would never tell you that. From what I've seen, the people who win with AI treat it like a skill they are building, not a lottery ticket. This rollout shows how fast that skill can become valuable, but only if you go use the tools instead of just watching videos about them. So here's a question for you. Out of everything I just covered, the always on agent, the video model, the digital avatar, the faster model, or the morning brief, which one could you start using this week?